Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. Just gonna do the next one here real quick. This is the Vosteed Raccoon. This is gonna be a quick one because I want to clean it, make sure it's good. No T6s. Come on, man. It's alright. They're deep T6s, so I mean T6, but you know, if it's deep, then you have less chance of like spinning that, stripping that out. Okay, there we go. 2 screws, pivot, and the body, and that comes right out. I'm not gonna lollygag on this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it all up because it is going on the fixed angle. Let's just make sure everything's clean. Yeah, this one went through the ringer as well, so I don't want to make any. I won't have any shavings in there from the 140. Scratching up any type of action. I really like this version, this top liner lock of the Raccoon. So, all right. Next, we're just gonna do alcohol with the bearings. Yeah, did a whole bunch of work back there today. Bunch of mulch. Used that RCK9 to work fabulous. It's ready. It's ready for a sharpening now. I think it was at a 16. I think I'm gonna bring it to a 17. But that'll be another one that's ready to go. Alright. So everything's clean. Good to go. Alright. Now let's go ahead and lubricate the bearings. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in page. Always, I don't know. I always have, I guess it depends. But I like to have, if I don't have skiffs in here, I like to have the opening in the pocket. Just some reason I feel like less stuff would get stuck in there, so don't need too much since it's basically swing arm once you press the button. Right. And then I just take a little bit there. Alright. Let's get the stop in. Oops. Okay. Let's go and get the heavy. Just a little bit. Ooh. Every time I say just a little. But you do need to fill it up so you could go around the track. Not on the bearings, just on that track. And then the stop pin. Is it in the back? I always forget. I think it's back here. Because that's where. Come here. There's the stop pin. Yeah, okay. Let's put that back, put that back. Make sure my stop pin goes pretty much right at the same time. Why did I even turn it? Never turn it. Okay. Okay. That's up in there. There we go. Okay. Yeah, sometimes they don't click snap into place, so I'm gonna take the blade out of the play so I don't get injured. I've been cutting myself lately and I'm healing. Alright, there we go. Right to snug. What is that? Too much? Yeah, just a tad back. I'm not gonna Loctite this one either because I'm gonna kind of do this again after I take it off the work sharp. But that's good right there. Oh yeah, it's T6. Okay, make sure that's in there, and just do a nice little snugness. Snug. Everything else is good. Good, not centered. Such a beautiful knife, man. Vosteed Raccoon. Top liner lock. I like this version, but I would have liked to got the same satin, but in a maybe a different scale option. Yeah, but that was a very easy tear down cleaning of the Vosteed Raccoon. That'll do it for me. If you found this interesting, please give me a like, sub, comment. But that was the Vosteed Raccoon. This is Spider G saying have fun, be safe. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.